Hello and welcome to Osaka famous spot in Japan. Every Sunday I will introduce a famous spot of Osaka in English. I'm your professor Mr. Doi and I'm making this video for my English study. If my pronunciation is unclear, please refer to the script in this video's description. Today I will talk to you about Umeda Arts Theater. Umeda Arts Theater is a major theater in Chayamachi, Kita-ward, Osaka. It's a popular place to enjoy musicals, ballets, operas, and plays. The building was once called Umeda Koma Theater, but reopened as Umeda Arts Theater in 2005. And now it's one of the top theaters in the Western Japan, like Imperial Theatre in Tokyo. The theater has two halls, the main hall and the theater drama city. The main hall hosts big musicals like Toho productions and shows by the Takarazuka Revue. Theater Drama City is smaller and shows more experimental plays and dramas. Visitors can enjoy many kinds of stage performances. The theater has modern sound and light systems and comfortable seats. Some shows offer English pamphlets and subtitles, so international visitors can also enjoy the performances. The theater is easy to reach. It's about a 10-minute walk from Osaka Umeda Station, Hankyu Line, or Osaka Station, JR Line. There are many shops and cafes nearby, so you can enjoy the area before or after the show. If you want to see high-quality performances arts in Osaka, Umeda Arts Theater is a great place to visit. That's all for today. Thank you. Bye bye.